Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from TikTok to bank account. First of all, just open the TikTok application, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right, and from here we want to access few settings. Also, we first have to discuss if it's actually possible for us to directly transfer from our TikTok account into our bank account. Well, the direct answer to that is currently with how TikTok is currently set up, you can only transfer to your Pupil account. Now, the good thing about Pupil here is from your Pupil account, you can proceed on cashing out the specific balance that you have into your bank account there. Now, in this case, make sure that you first set up your PayPal account and link any banks that you have right now. In this case, once you have done that, we now ready to cash out or transfer money from TikTok to bank account. So what we need to do first is we need to access these three bars in the top right corner, and once you click on it, click on balance. Now once you click on balance, it should open up a new tab here, which in this case you should be able to see your balance. Now in this case, click on the live rewards that you see there. So once you click on it, you should be able to see the next UI, which is in this case you just need to click on the withdraw button there, and from there just follow the steps for you to start withdrawing your money. So in this case you need to provide some details about your PayPal account, so that includes your email and some information about yourself. Also, there is going to be a daily withdrawal limit which is around $1,000. In this case, just follow the steps here and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.